today we have our chicken. This is our chicken that I've marinated with salt, lime, peri peri mixture. That is a mixture of paprika, chili, garam masala, turmeric powder. Then there is a chicken mix. Then we have fresh rosemary. Then I will marinate it for about 30 minutes. So this is the way I cook my chicken. Then I will cover it. Hello guys, so this is the way our chicken is coming along. As you can see, I just kept few oil down, and then you have to use a non-sticky pot, so you have to invest in a good pot to cook chicken this way. Please subscribe, like and share, and tell me what you think about the video. So I'm going to take you through how we are going to cook our chicken. Now I'm going to turn it, then I'm going to show you how it is. So guys, this is the way our chicken looks like after turning the chicken. So first I cooked for 30 minutes, then it changed the color to golden brown. Then I turned it, as I said before, I marinated the chicken for 30 minutes with salt, lime, peri peri mixture, that is a mixture of cayenne, paprika, turmeric powder, garam masala. Then there are cloves of garlic, and then I kept fresh rosemary. So this is the way I cook this type of fish. Then I cook it with a non-sticky pot. First, I just keep my few oil down so that it cannot stick, although I have a very good pot that I've cooked with this. So this is a very healthy way of cooking your chicken, no deep frying, no much oil, and it comes out very delicious. Please keep on subscribing, commenting, and tell me what you think about this recipe and other recipes that I have on my channel. So now I'll cover it, then let the other part to cook. So guys, our chicken, for me our chicken is ready. I've cooked it for about 45-50 minutes. So this is the way our chicken is. Our chicken is ready. Spicy chicken in fresh rosemary. So guys, this is our chicken. Our chicken is totally ready, as you can see. Please like, subscribe and share, and tell me what you think about this recipe.